This may look like your typical Kenosha bungalow, but inside, she shines. Take a tour with me, Margaret Labus, of the Starboard Group with Berkshire Hathaway, through this beautiful 2-bedroom, 1-bath home in Kenosha Forest Park. The seller has done a lot of heavy lifting here. This house features hardwood floors, new interior paint, tiled bath, new kitchen appliances, and more. Replacement windows with blinds, updated electrical and plumbing, new central AC, epoxied basement floor, and more. Thanks for taking the tour with me. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're happy to help any way that we can. If you'd like more information about this house, visit connectwithmargaret.com, where you'll find home tours, neighborhood information, and tips and tricks on leading your best Wisconsin life. Cheers!